Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel MPK Comtech. Today I just want to talk about why you should start embedded engineering. So follow along to my today's video. The reason why I think it's the best idea for a student, for a self-taught IT person to study embedded engineering is because in embedded engineering you are working with the gadgets, the IT gadgets. You are solving the real world problems. For example, you'll be given a problem. For example, a problem to solve. For example, I want to take an example for the place I stay in. There's a lot of rubbish. People are just throwing rubbish everywhere. But as an embedded engineer, you solve that problem by developing a self-picking robot. Which means the reason why I'm saying embedded engineering is the best engineering major is because for a given space, for a given problem, you are able to come out with the solution for a given problem. For example, I want to differentiate embedded engineering from web development. For example, if you're a web developer, I'm not against the web development, but I'm just comparing. If you're a web developer, the problem you are solving, for example, you're creating website for people to use, you're creating websites, all the things you are doing is web-based. But in terms of engineering, embedded engineering, you are solving real-world problems. For example, I want to give another example of a lawnmower. People are using lawnmowers at home, but as an embedded engineer, you can automate that lawnmower to solve a problem for the worker. For example, you make it to move by itself while lawn mowing. So all those things are essential, are the things that you look at if you want to start in IT. For example, today, since I am talking why you should start embedded engineering, the first thing I just want to show you what you have to do to start embedded engineering. One, you have to know that in embedded engineering, you are working with microcontrollers. Microcontroller. So you have to know a lot of things about microcontrollers. What is a microcontroller? What is the purpose of a microcontroller? What you have to know about microcontroller is that a microcontroller, for example, let me see this definition. Okay, a microcontroller, while we're waiting for my network to connect, a microcontroller, in simple terms, it's just a computer. It's just like your PC that you are using, but a microcontroller is a computer on a single chip, which means a single chip must have processor, hard disk drive, RAM, and everything. We use microcontrollers to command our embedded systems. So the very most important thing in embedded engineering is the microcontroller. And then after that, you have to know, for example, if you look at this definition, a microcontroller is a compact integrated circuit designed to govern a specific operation in an embedded system. A typical microcontroller includes a processor, memory, and input and output peripherals on a single chip. That's what I was saying. The microcontroller is just a computer in a single chip. Sometimes referred to as embedded controller or microcontroller unit, MCU. Microcontrollers are found in vehicles, robots, offices, medical offices, mobile radio, transceivers, vending machines, home appliances, and all others. How microcontrollers work? A microcontroller is embedded inside a system to control a singular function in a device. This is what I was saying. If you have a microcontroller, for example, the most cheapest microcontroller is Arduino. You can buy Arduino for as little as $14, and then after buying that Arduino as little as $14, you can develop a real world application. For example, you can create a drone, a camera drone that you can use. You can get a couple of dollars by using it or by selling that thing, but by just buying it on $14, and you solve real world problem. Microcontrollers are used in a wide range of system and devices. Devices often utilize microcontrollers that work within the device to handle their respective task. So since I mentioned about Arduino, what you have to know is Arduino is a open source company that provides the Arduino boards. They have a couple of boards. They have what you call Arduino Uno, Arduino Nano, Arduino Mega. You can choose the Arduino of your choice. As little as $14, you can get your board. After that, you have to know that you have to download the Arduino IDE. It is found on their website, Arduino, www.arduino.cc. After that, after the installation, you can open the Arduino IDE like what I'm doing right now, and then this is the Arduino IDE. You can see file and what, and then you can write your code here. For example, if you click tools, you can check if the board is connected. Like here, I'm using Arduino Uno. It's connected. COM3 port is the default port that is connected to the Arduino, and after that you're good to go. You're good to program. You need to create your own robot, your own applications. So I'm saying to you, this is the time to jump from application development to embedded engineering, so that you solve real world applications, real world problems. So I hope the video was helpful for you, and I'm glad if you can share this video for the benefit of others, so that they will know about embedded engineering, know that how it is good to study embedded engineering. Thank you so much. See you later.